God so loved the world that he gave us his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Yes, God sent his Son to save the world. And guess what? Bad mind people, just like what's happening in our world today, full of bad mind people, because God sent his Son to take care of it. God sent him Son to heal the sick and raise the dead. God sent him Son and him take water, turn it in a wine. God's Son used two little fish and two little piece of bread and feed a multitude, and bad mind make them kill God's Son. So me don't want to promote say God's Son dead pan cross for our sin, because guess what? I am seeing some sinners, but who are the sinners? The same people them that come out and go steal your land and having war and war for people property. Them a war for people country. Them a war for people oil. Them a war for people diamond. Them a war for people gold. Yes, and who know the sinner? So don't come teach no fake news. Don't come teach no wrong and tell us that Jesus got dead pan cross for our sinner. You kill God because the too powerful, sir. Nobody never tell about